We will now conclude your understanding of the Shadowmatch individual results by looking at the conceptual fitness, task efficiency, time, and attitude graphs. The Shadowmatch worksheet presents 10 riddles or problems to resolve. This section shows how many of those riddles the individual managed to resolve successfully, and we refer to this component as conceptual fitness. Shadowmatch doesn't measure conceptual ability, but rather the application of the conceptual ability through the completion of the Shadowmatch worksheet. Let's use an example. Most people have the ability to run. However, not everyone has the same fitness level. Some individuals might be fit enough to run a marathon. Some individuals will be fit enough to run 10 kilometers, and others might only be able to run 100 meters. They all have the ability, but they are at different fitness levels. This is exactly what we measure with the conceptual fitness in Shadowmatch. The vast majority of people have the ability to score 10 out of 10 for the conceptual questions. However, we are all at different fitness levels. The conceptual score can also be interpreted according to the habit categories. Conceptual score of 1 and 2 will indicate a planned fitness level. Conceptual score of 3 and 4 will show a necessary fitness level. Conceptual score of 5 will indicate everyday fitness. Conceptual score of 6 shows a strong fitness level. Conceptual score 7, 8, 9, and 10 indicate a radical conceptual fitness. While completing the Shadowmatch worksheet, the system measures time duration from start to finish. This is the time component. There is no time limit to complete the worksheet, but time is measured and it is displayed separately as total time and conceptual time. A slow internet connection will not affect the time measurement. The system timer starts when questions are displayed, and it stops when the person selects an answer and clicks on Next. The next component is task efficiency. The Shadowmatch worksheet is an end-to-end task, and the efficiency of completing the worksheet is what is measured. To calculate this, the overall time spent on the entire worksheet, the time spent on the conceptual questions, and the accuracy score on the conceptual questions are calculated to determine efficiency. Lastly, Shadowmatch measures attitude. Attitude is an individual's approach to work, life, and everyday situations. Shadowmatch measures attitude in 4 quadrants. People who are dominant in Category 1 gets involved in life in a very non-aggressive manner. They are kind, participative, and involved. People who are dominant in Category 2 get involved, but in a more assertive, aggressive manner. People who are dominant in Category 3 are individuals who choose to stay uninvolved and be more of a bystander or spectator, but they have a frustrated or aggressive approach. People who are dominant in Category 4 tend to have an approach of being uninvolved and unaggressive. They may seem to be detached from situations. The Shadowmatch attitude map will indicate the dominant approach as well as how strongly do the other categories present themselves in terms of the individual's approach, as each of us will not only behave according to one category. You can now understand the Shadowmatch results and should take some time to read through your own report.